Good morning, guys. What's going on? Today is Saturday. Today is National Go Topless Day, the event created by Strings and Rain, I believe so. We're not going to any Jeep events today. We're actually heading down to Apollo Beach. Jake is over there. There's a car show, like a Cars and Coffee. I don't think it's a Cars and Coffee. It's like a little later. It's 9:50. So we're just gonna go there, chill for a little bit. And today is mostly gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be talking to you guys and letting you know what is going on. So this weekend there was also the Jeep Beach Jam. That is the one in Panama City Beach, Florida. I didn't go to that one because I didn't request any time off. I would have to leave on Friday night after work and have a long drive to just get there, go to sleep, and then be there Saturday. Mark is there, but they're gonna go to a wedding on Saturday afternoon. They're leaving, so I was gonna be like, nah, I don't wanna be left stranded. I don't know who's there. Most of our close friends are not going to it, so I just didn't go. But yeah, today we're going to Apollo Beach to that show. I'll be showing you Jake's car. But yeah, Jake has now a Mustang, pretty sick Mustang. You'll see it wrap. He wrapped it himself with the girlfriend Cheyenne. So we're on the way over there to hang out with them. So yeah, I'll be talking to you a little bit more once I get down, because this noise, I don't like it. I don't like it. See you in a little bit. What is going on, guys? So today we are with Jake. You already know Jake. He is the one that actually got me into the Jeeping. He doesn't have a Jeep anymore. No more. But I like cars as well. Today we're a car event. What is the name?
IDLS Cars and Beaches. It's their 10-year anniversary event. So we came out and checking what they got out going on here.
So we're in Apollo Beach, Florida, not too far from where I live. So we're checking out a lot of nice cars. I don't think you know Jay's car yet. Last time I made a video with Jake, he was driving the Hummer H1, which he still got the Hummer. Yeah. But we'll go ahead and show you his car. I'm just recording far away because there's music where he's parked at, and YouTube copyright. So let's go ahead and take a look at his car. All right, so Jake's car is always a showstopper. Everybody stops to look at it. We'll show you right now. All right, Jake, tell us a little bit about your car.
She started life as it's a 2015 S550 body and chassis. But then after that, pretty much everything you can do to her is done to it. It's on bags, airlift performance suspension, Anderson Composites, carbon front fenders, Anderson Composites, carbon trunk, fully built 6R80 transmission, 245mm Circle D torque converter. She's everything you'd want to do to an S550 to get her to run 9s. That's what's done to this car. She consistently runs 9.2s, 9.3s.
9-second car, like that is amazing. From driving a Jeep and getting into this car whenever he gets me a ride, oh my god, it's so amazing. But let's go ahead and take a look around. So this is Zack, this is my neighbor. He is a Sharpie Car over there. What is the name of your Instagram?
Brace Your Neck.
Brace Your Neck.
Or Sharpie Car.
So the lovely girlfriend, soon to be wife yet?
Soon to be wife.
She did all the work. All that beautiful details over there. But, so we're over here, we're enjoying it Saturday. We'll be showing you more cars. But yeah, so this is Zack. Thank you very much. Every time I need something and I'm home, this guy's always, hey, are you available? Can you give me a hand? And he always comes and help. But
Got to.
now you know who is Zack. Go check out his Instagram and take a look at that car. Alright guys, so you know that I love Volkswagens also. I had a GTI 2009 Mark V, Stage 2, all the little things that you want to have on it. Cold air intake, downpipe, full exhaust, the Stage 2 APR, it was really nice. So the goal says get a daily so I can park the Jeep again. Look at this. Imagine that. Getting a daily that looks like the Jeep, same color. This is on backs. I don't like backs. I'll probably do coilovers again. Same thing, Stage 2.
Sounds good, man. I'll text him right now and then I'll...
Cold air intake, downpipe, exhaust. We'll see. That's what I want to do eventually, but first is going to be the axles. Another thing that I wanted to let you know, guys, is that I'm moving from Tampa. I'm going to Orlando now. I'll be moving next month. So that's why I haven't been posting a lot. I haven't been doing much. Today, I was actually supposed to be packing today because little by little I'll be moving stuff. June 17 is when I actually start again. Same company, just different positions, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna leave actually in a little bit. I gotta go continue packing. And eventually, once I move to Orlando, it's gonna be easier for me to continue doing more videos. I already know a lot of people over there in the Jeep community, so I already got a club over there that I can hang out with. I'll still be doing videos and going all to all the events in Florida. It's sad that I gotta, leave my crew behind. So the Tampa Jeep crew, the Jeep Lab family, Mark, Tony, Steve, everybody, But I gotta move, I gotta evolve. I'll be doing an update once I finally move. But yeah, guys, we're going back to the spot that we were sitting at. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you up once I'm about to leave here. Sick. You gotta love Jeeps. Finally back in the Jeep. I'm about to leave right now. Guys, it is hot out there. That's why I have this shirt. I'm not hot in it from having long sleeve because it's really good. It's supposed to block you against UV rays, whatever. I don't want to continue getting my farmer's tan. But yeah, now we're gonna go home and continue packing for the move. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Mostly it was just me talking and showing you a little bit of around here. Jake's car over there. But yeah, now we're going home, guys. Till the next time. See ya.